Hi, my name is Spider Johnson, and I'm a professional artist. I've been in business since 1979, making fine art wood marquetry, which is the cutting and piecing together of thin veneers of wood, gluing them down, making a mural, picture, that sort of thing. I've been doing this for quite some time. In the late 90s, I decided that I needed to increase my production. Since I was cutting them by hand using a scroll saw, X-Acto knife, my production was very limited. So I had seen a laser operate at a trade show, and I was thinking maybe that would work for my needs. So I started doing some research, and as a result of that, I found Kern lasers, and it changed my life. I needed to increase my production, and a laser could make identical cuts, which would allow me to make limited editions of my work. I checked with many different manufacturers and called them up, asked them if they had a product that would serve my needs, my particular needs. And one of those companies stood out for one reason. I had spoken with Gerald Kern, and he asked me lots of questions, what I needed the laser for. And after I hung up, he was the only one of those people to go to my website, download some of my photos, and sent me laser engravings of those photos on different materials. So I realized that this guy took a personal interest, and that was one of the reasons that I went ahead with the Kern laser. I bought a 50 watt, 4 foot by 4 foot table laser from Kern for several reasons. Certainly it was the friendly customer service, but also it was an industrial quality laser. It was heavy duty. These things were really tough, I could tell. Also, the open XY axis bed allowed me to cut much larger materials than even the 4 by 4 foot bed. But the most outstanding nature of Kern laser, I think, is their customer service. When I was first unpacking the laser, this was completely new territory for me. I had no idea how to operate it, much less put it together. The instruction booklet was great, but of course I had some questions. And every time I called them, they were eager to assist, no matter how stupid the questions might be or how long it took. And over the years, this has proved very beneficial to me, because even after 15 years, I can still call them up, and no matter how long it takes, they will help me solve my problem. I had a recent need for tech support, called up and talked with both Eric and Derek, and this need issue occurred over the course of 2 or 3 days, and I would have to call back because we would try something, it didn't quite work. So no matter how long it took, they were patient, courteous, and knowledgeable. And even after that long a period of time, that kind of tech support here in the good old USA is not easy to find. I would highly recommend Kern lasers over any other laser product for all those reasons. I think they're the best company on the market. I think they excel. They care about what they do. Customer service is great. The products are very well made. The only problem I've had in 15 years was a control card that had some issues. I sent it in overnight for repair. I sent it back the following day. It cost me $500. I can't think of any other product, including automobiles, any kind, that I've had for 15 years. The maintenance has only been $500 and maybe a little bit of oil. So, Kern lasers, they're the best.